I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by securing legal authority and explicit consent. Do not proceed without it. Explain why you need prints and record permission. Once done, verify chain of custody requirements and any forms you must complete. Make sure to contact a licensed forensic technician or law enforcement to supervise or perform evidence collection. You're responsible for preserving admissibility in court, so prioritize authorization and documentation over improvising methods. You should rely on trained professionals rather than homemade techniques. A certified examiner will explain why certain preservation methods are chosen and how they reduce contamination risk. Once you contact a lab, request written protocols and timelines so you know what to expect. Make sure to hand over items in secure packaging and to record every transfer. This preserves integrity and admissibility. If cost is a concern, ask about pro bono services or local police assistance. Complete the process by collecting final documentation and a written report from the examiner. You'll need chain of custody logs and method descriptions. If no usable prints are recovered, you can ask for alternate forensic options or additional non-invasive tests. Once done, consult legal counsel before disclosing or acting on findings to avoid misuse. If you encounter resistance or suspected evidence tampering, contact authorities immediately and preserve all original materials as instructed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.